Good morning, this is Burnrate, and welcome to another day and another daily challenge in Offworld Trading Company. I've decided, since last time I went robotic, I am going to again go robotic, because it can't be advantageous twice.
Low levels of iron
And it
found.
looks like that is true. I'm going to really try and find a heavy deposit of something and take advantage of the robot's
Scientific colony founded.
starting bonus to maybe get a really quick upgrade. But it's not working out for me so well too far.
High levels of iron found.
Ooh. Oh, can I turn? This is terrible. I wish I could rotate my base. That would have been awesome.
Medium levels of silicon found. High levels of silicon found.
There we go.
Acceptable location has been identified.
Acceptable
Run colonization
location.
build script. Start manufacturing queue.
Iron. Get that big iron. I'll be all set. And
A geothermal vent. That will be useful.
I have all sorts of resources next to me to build electronics. Ooh. I'm gonna get it first. I'm getting it first. Go away, scientific colonies. Haha.
The black market is online.
I wasn't even going there. I guess it doesn't matter too much about the black market is online. Claim. To upgrade I need
Scavenger colony expanded.
4,000. Another claim auction.
6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 12,000,
More than that.
14,000,
I want the claim. The early claim will help a lot throughout the rest of the game.
18,000.
So,
Hooray! What can I sell here? And I'm just gonna start getting aluminum. So then I need to buy iron. So then my upgrade should be pretty quick. What? Oh. I'm gonna need more iron. Well, I can just put them here. At least I got that one big one. So, aluminum, silicone, and carbon. So I have aluminum, silicone, and I can make a carbon. I'll get that. And then I'll get a silicone electronic as soon as I upgrade, which should happen quite soon, because my iron's coming in, and now I have steel being made.
The black market is online.
I do want that claim. 4,500 is not bad. Come on, steel. Man, that was a pain. Really wanted that adjacency bonus, but I did not get it. Come on, iron. Oh.
Full
Upgrade.
hardware upgrade complete.
So aluminum, carbon. I want silicone, which I'll have right next to me. And I'm going to build the electronics factory.
scientific colony expanded.
Which I need 2,400 for steel and aluminum. I do need more steel. My iron is balanced because those jerks stole my spot. Put another one here. Steel here, and then I'll make the electronics factory. What can I sell? Bonus. And how much? 160, 160. So to make the electronics. Where do I want to put these? I'll put them nearby, but I don't want them next to everything else, in case I get EMP'd or something terrible. So that should help me reduce my debt. Power is expensive. Wasn't even paying attention to that. It's not very smart considering
to the highest bidder.
1,000,
robotic.
1,000, 10,
Open geothermal over there.
14,000, 16,000.
What else do we have?
So,
That's a lot of debt, but I could really use... Oh, what are they bringing in? All those... Put it right here and get... a whole bunch
Pirates.
of steel.
I hate those filthy bandits.
Excellent. That'll work out great. So an upgrade power for sure. And the electronics are coming in as well. So I'm going to build more electronics next time. And power. What do I need for my geothermal? I got enough steel and aluminum, but I'm going to spend them all when I upgrade.
New directives
Boom.
received and confirmed. Replicators online. Upgrade in
1,000.
progress.
A lot of
Stand
steel
by.
coming in. Aluminum is very cheap. Why did I sell steel? That was the one thing I shouldn't have sold. Because I needed to build. Oh, they took it. Alright. I'm still gonna need power though. This is that's a nice spot. Because that is kind of crazy. Let's see. Put the bonus there. And then, oh, that was everything. That was all my claims. Kind of ridiculous. But my debt is, oh, the electronics. So I need
Scientific colony
aluminum. I'm going
expanded.
to upgrade. I'm going to build a hacker array to keep the price of electricity high. And I'm going to build more electronics factories. More and more and more. My debt is going down. Is it? Yes. But not for long. The electricity price is tanking. But I'm going to consume a lot more of that too, so it's not a total throwaway in terms of investment. Now I have a lot of steel coming in too. Boom. Aluminum is pretty cheap
Scientific
still.
colony
Improved
expanded.
efficiency.
Upgrade. I got
Beginning
dynamited.
construction. Reticulating splines.
My metal mine. It's not very nice. And mutiny. My power. That's not very nice either.
Freelance pirates are auctioning their services to the highest bidder.
1,000, 5,
Pirates again? Why not? Look at all that steel.
12,
That's totally worth it.
18,
Got an early upgrade out of it. Bunch of money. Look, price of silicone is going up. Use that. Is there anything else flying around that's worth a lot of money? No. Food prices are staying pretty low. They usually
Pirates.
sometimes
I
get pretty
hate
ridiculous, but
those
there's so much
filthy
water on this level. Hacker array. Ah. Come on. Give me a break. So my carbon intake is 1.5. I'm using 0.25 aluminum, 0.5 carbon, so I can build one more electronics factory. I should put a goon squad on that. It's totally worth it. But which one? What? I'll build out this way, so hopefully that one will get targeted, if I get targeted. So let's short this, and hopefully by the time... Oh, those stuff's not even worth anything. Hopefully by the time my power stations are back online, the shorting completes, and I'll have power. My debt will go down, my electronics are in positive flow. I don't know why the carbon's not coming over. Come on, carbon. And I have plenty of silicone and aluminum.
Your stock is being bought.
Oof. Stock's not the lowest, but I'm the highest, so maybe that's why they're targeting me. I could use more aluminum, but it's not that cheap, I guess. Is it expensive enough to build another mine? Surplus. I have a ridiculous amount of
The black
steel.
market is online.
Enough to upgrade. I just need the aluminum. Sell some electronics. 19,000. What should I get for a claim? Well, I'm gonna need the carbon
Your
anyway,
stock is being bought.
so I'll build another one of those. Alright, back to positive energy flow, positive electronics flow, my debt,
4,000.
whatever. That is worthless. There's so much water on this map, it's ridiculous. And I went robotic, whatever.
10,000. 14,000. 18,000.
Wow,
28,000.
AI does not have a brain here. Because there is so much water like that. No reason to buy it. Let's see.
Our hackers
Upgrade.
have compromised the trading service. Price manipulation begins shortly.
Aluminum. Ah. Should I have built that aluminum? Quick, send your stuff in. My debt is spiraling out of control. Do I need to upgrade 320? Let's set that. 24,000. Price of aluminum. Oh, it's shooting through the roof. That's terrible. Oh, come on! Should have put a goon squad on those. Underground nuke! This is getting really rough. Now my iron income is low. I have a little bit of backup, but it's pretty expensive. The raw resources in this level have been pretty expensive. That was not nice. Frozen electricity. The price of glass is going nuts.
Full hardware upgrade complete.
I'm gonna definitely need iron still. Well, did I? Probably not. That might have been a bad idea. So what am I going to be short on? Silicone?
The black market is online.
Plenty of carbon. And plenty of aluminum.
Scavenger كل اللي expended.
Pleasure Dome robots,
Your
100 per
stock is
turn.
being bought.
Man. This is a weird map. And I picked Robotic, there's so much water. Electronics are good.
Your stock is being bought.
Stop buying my stock, people! Who's buying most of it? Ah, everyone. Frozen my resources. My hacker array. I'm already level 5. I have a good income of electronics. 2 claims left. I could build an off-world market or a pleasure dome and get...
5,000.
I'll bid for another claim.
Claim is available for auction.
14,000.
Price of power is gone.
18,000. 24,000. 28,000.
Give me 4 more claims total.
6,000. 40.
At the cost of insane debt, but whatever.
6,000.
Sold.
And how much are chemicals? They're regular. They're what they
Your
are
stock
expected
is
to be.
being bought. Your stock is being bought.
Patent lab. What do I want to short? I'll short electricity again. How's my debt doing? Man, all these need to unfreeze, like right now. So I'm gonna go pleasure domey. And get the patent
We caught
lab.
a dirty rat trying to break our stuff.
What happened? Oh, they goon squatted that. Or goon squad protected that.
Black market is online.
Alright. Virtual reality. 17,000. Okay. Perfect. Now,
Your stock is being
I
bought.
want a Regoon squad. So much carbon.
Scientific colony expanded.
This. A lot coming in from that. My debt is going down, and I'm producing electronics. That's only basically the really thing that's bringing me any kind of profit. And I really need to upgrade this. So
Our
what do I
hackers
get?
have
Silicone,
compromised the
oxygen.
trading servers.
No, I don't want to
Price
get into that.
manipulation begins shortly.
What should I do?
Your stock is being bought.
Silicone's too cheap. Food is expensive, and the water is cheap, so I'll just do that. It's a little side business. Make some food backup in case my electronics and everything gets nuked. I'll just have some kind of income. Oh, come on! 2 minutes.
The black market is online.
6,000.
New land is available for auction.
9.
What is
Bidding
it?
will begin at
10.
You thought, is it water again? Yes. It's ridiculous. They paid 30,000 or something for that last time. What is going on with my power?
1,000. 20,000. 20. 4,000.
Some money.
20. 8,000. 30. 2,000.
We're not
30.
surprised, just disappointed in you.
1,000.
Wow, look at the price of that 3 stack of water, and there's hundreds on the map. I guess they just see it's 3 stacks and they don't know what they're doing. I'm losing money from power. Oh, they defended it. That's why they were disappointed. So let's see. Sell one of those. I have a bunch of money. Do a little defensive stock buying. Pay off my debt. Gotta get my price up because who's got me? Orange?
Colony expanded.
Oof. Robotic was really kind of the worst way to go on this map. Just not good. Let's see, I'm just gonna buy stocks. I just need my stock price to
The
Scientific
get
black
colony
market is
expanded.
online.
up, up, up. My debt's going down. Even with the power. Let's see if they defended that again. Aha! Excellent. Oh, come on. The water goes up like crazy. After I decide to build a food factory, I'm going to surplus it. See if I can defend my food production. Carbon is pretty expensive. A lot of high price for a lot of these resources, which is nice. So there we go. Now I'm making extra on these. That's where all that power consumption is from. What can I do here? Units are powered with water. Buildings are powered with water. Don't need any of that. Alright.
Our hackers have compromised the trading service.
The
Price
trading
manipulation
circuit.
begins shortly.
Pay debt. Who's got the cheapest stock? You.
The black market is
What
online.
do I need to buy someone? 200, 370, 360. I don't know, Mr. Entertainment there.
7,000. 8.
new pack up for auction.
9.
Bidding will
See
begin.
that going on.
10,000.
So I don't think the pleasure domes are really a good idea considering how high my debt is, because the money goes into the debt
1,000.
first. So I can't use it and just leave my debt alone. If I had low debt, Or I built pleasure domes early. That would have been a better strategy than trying to go late, because this, like, before the game ends, I don't think this is going to go away. So I'm really not, you know, making useful amounts of money. Why does this need carbon? Why are you not being supplied? Sell off that useless food. I'll surplus this again. And
Scientific colony expanded.
chemicals are expensive. I have 120 of them. Do I want to research anything? Nope. Selling. All gone. Man. So they have a lot of my stock. And I have a lot of debt. Should I go for debt payoff? Or should I go...
Our hackers have compromised the trading
Stupid
service.
aluminum.
Price manipulation begins shortly.
Plow that, and I can build. Hooray! Order surplus. I'm just gonna pay off my debt, and then I'll just have a positive cash flow from all this stuff. And now I'll just be making money, and I'll just spend it as it comes in. There we go. Nice high stock price from that. Should defend me for a little longer since I can't do any more defensive buying. And I'm just going to go straight for Mr. Entertainment, because they have most of my stock. So if I can hold them off, I can wrap up everyone else, but they're the danger to me. I need a lot of money. 384. Who's making money faster? That's what it comes down to now. Let's short food. Could sell it. I should short electronics. That'd be smarter. All the stocks bought up. Now it's just who's making money faster. Should I buy this guy? Or should I just go for the big one right away? Stock price is dropping. 200 versus
Scientific colony
350.
expanded.
Man, that price of electricity is getting kind of high. I'll surplus that too. Surplus all the things. At least I know these have paid for themselves. Above and beyond what they cost. Has the opportunity cost of what those things are been worth for it? Could I have made more money with 3 claims somewhere else? Possibly building chemicals, because it looks like no one has done that. And food, ridiculous, and fuel, ridiculous, which is weird because there's so much water on this map.
Our hackers have compromised the trading
They
service.
figured all that
Price
stuff would be in
manipulation
surplus.
begins shortly.
158. Oh. I can't not buy them. So what is the balance? Oh, the water. That's a lot of power and water. That was a bad idea. What can you do? I have super positive food flow. And you are scientific. So why did you build these out? Oh, those aren't yours. Oh, wait. No, you did build those out there. What is wrong with you? I bought a moron. Okay, this power isn't too bad. Can't really buy another claim. 70,000. My debt is going back down after that initial spike. That was kind of ridiculous. Sell some food. And what do I need to buy? 4 and 6. Wow, Miss Patton really
Our
took
hackers
off.
have compromised the trading servers.
This still isn't
Price
over.
manipulation
One of those could buy each
begins
other,
shortly.
and that would be pretty difficult for me to deal with. Sell all that. Got positive income on those resources. Man, my fuel. I need some claims. 4 and 6. I don't know, buying this guy was not the best idea, I think. Nice. I forgot I shorted that. I think I sold a bunch off before. But I might be able
Our
to.
hackers have compromised the trading servers.
407.
Price manipulation begins shortly.
Yep, got them, and now there's just too much. Man, that power. So much for my debt, but my stock price is so high and I own most of it that they have no way they're going to come back. 235. Wow. I'll just do little things. Shouldn't matter. Game's almost over. Pretty positive flow and everything but electricity. Everyone's fully upgraded. I don't feel like buying a claim for $70,000. So this is a bit of a long and torturous game that I did not do the best at. But I chose robotics on this map too. Gotta choose before you look. Makes it more challenging. That was the whole point, I guess. Still. Pretty difficult. What do you need? Oh, I can buy
Our
it.
hackers have compromised
All
the trading
done.
servers. Price manipulation begins shortly.
Run rate wins. All those pleasure domes. Kind of a bad strategy. I think I could have made a lot of better decisions with this one, but going robotic on this map and it's kind of all over the place, and my debt got out of control, and I wanted to, you know, just work on that. But those are better to do a little bit earlier and keep your debt down, and then you can use it for positive money instead of just spending money on things that'll actually bring you cash that you can use as opposed to going into your debt. And the power situation didn't work out as I wanted. I ended up using way more power than I thought I would because of the pleasure domes as well, which was another bad decision. The water thing actually, or the food thing actually did help me a little bit in protecting my electronics also, and that was just my main source of income throughout the whole game. But other than that, it was kind of a oddly played match, and I thought for a while there I wasn't going to make it, but I pulled through. Had enough income to grab up everyone. Interesting. Abundant resources, abundant water, played on robotic. Interesting. Worked out though. Have a good day. Until next time.